The Dell WD19s Docking Station doesn't have a physical power button. It activates automatically when connected to a powered laptop via USB-C. To achieve a full 130 watts power setup, first plug the 130-watt AC adapter into the dock's power port. Second, connect the dock's USB-C cable to your laptop's Thunderbolt or USB-C port. The laptop's firmware will detect the dock and charging will begin. A green LED light on the dock indicates active power, and your laptop's battery icon should display plugged in with high wattage. Make sure your laptop is compatible with 130-watt power delivery. Dell XPS and Latitude models are generally compatible. For optimal performance and full 130-watt power delivery with your Dell WD19s Docking Station, use a certified USB-C cable, preferably 1 meter or shorter for reliable power delivery. Ensure your laptop's BIOS is updated to support proper power delivery. When using the dock's ports like USB-A, HDMI, and others, avoid overloading them as it can reduce your laptop's charging speed. If you don't achieve 130 watts, check the cable, update the dock's firmware via Dell Command Update, and verify laptop compatibility on Dell's website. Overcurrent protection is built in to prevent any damage to your devices.